to see. Something orange. Oh gosh, wow. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you box opening from a couple of recent purchases, including one anniversary gift from my hubby. So thank you, hubby. So without further ado, let's get to it. So first up is the one I got from Sursoie. So I had a really long video about how you get the luxury items. So one of the website I go to is Sursoie. So they sell a lot of good product, but with a really good price. So this is the one I spot on the other day, and I feel it's really nice. So I'm excited to see what it is. Ooh, ta-da! It's from Saint Laurent. It's a card holder. This is similar to the card holder I have with the Chanel one. Ooh. Look at these. Wow. This is a super shiny. I believe it's a lambskin, but have this, you know, the chevron kind of a pattern onto it. It's really popular in Saint Laurent's bags, handbags, and small leather goods. So let's take a look. No issues, and let's open it up. Wow, it's pretty roomy. It's all leather inside. There's 1, 2, 3 spots that you can put the cards in. Okay. And all leather. So it's very simple, very chic. Very soft. It's good quality as well, so I'm gonna cut the tags. Okay. Here again. I believe this one, it was about $460. I think it's about running 20% off on Sursoie. So if they still have that, I'll link down below and you can check out. This is nothing like sponsored, so I just want to share anything that if you can find something good but also in a better price. So let me share with you the side-by-side comparison with my Chanel wallet. So this is these two. These are the similar height, and then you can see the width. This is slightly narrower than this one. It's probably because I have a lot of cards in here too. So, but if you opened up, this has 3 big one. You can open it up like that. And then a Chanel one, you can open it up this big. So you can open it up this big and versus this big. So I would say this may have bigger room to put more cards if you have more cards into it. Yeah, I definitely think whatever I can fit in here, it will be able to fit in the Saint Laurent card holder. So yeah, and then from the skin, this is the leather, caviar leather from Chanel, but this one is definitely some sort of lambskin kind of leather, so much softer than this one. So I'm gonna try this out and then see if it's doable or any marks will easily create marks, and I'll let you know in a few weeks. So next one is this item. Thank you for my hubby to give me this anniversary present. Let's open it and then see what it is. Oh, good. What you see? Something orange. Oh gosh, wow. Yeah, thank you, hubby, for giving me this present. Let's open what it is inside. Unboxing AMSR, so just take it in. Ooh. Isn't this cute bag? Isn't that cute? So this is their Sursoie to-go pouch. If I mispronounce, the name is down below. So it's not faux leather, if you can tell from the camera. It's basically a silk. All around it, it's a silk, and the top is the leather. I believe it's kind of I think it's 6 inches and 9 inches long, 6 inches tall, and the width is about a little bit over an inch. So let's open this up. Inside's another silk alignment, silk lining inside. Nice, kind of a sesame, mustard color. And it comes with a stripe. It's a shoulder stripe, I believe, like this long. Oh, it's actually longer than I expected, actually. It's pretty good. So what it does is supposed to, I believe, just loop around. Oh, the leather, this leather is super soft. Super soft. I believe it's like that. like that. And then just the buckleless. Depending on, I think, how long you will be. Just like that. Like that. Yeah, very nice. It doesn't. I don't think I can do the crossbody because it might be crossbody too. Oh, it's pretty good. It's like, you know, on my wrist kind of section, but definitely it can be a good a good cross shoulder bag. It's nice. So. Or you can make it a little bit shorter like that to be a better crossbody bag as well. So obviously we have to do my standard test and see if all of my essential stuff can fit in here. So some makeup pouch, key chain holder. Let's put my new wallet in here. Oh yeah, it's totally fit. It totally fits everything in here. There's no problem. Okay, zip it up, and then you can do. And when you have enough load, you can see this dip down, right? Dip a little bit to create that little because it has a weight, because this is not, say, a leather, and then you have pulling, that's why you have a depth, and then you just have this really nice kind of a shoulder bag. Oh, I really like it. It's super duper cute, and then the color is really good. It have different colors. I think one is kind of this deep navy blue or kind of closer to black color, and then the other one is their signature orange color. So I think both of them are really really cute, and then can go with any outfit that you want. So I recently just realized I went to the Hermes website and I noticed that there's a lot of different bags option now. It's not like they are selling Kelly or Birkin on the website, but they do start to sell a few nice, a lot more options of handbags that you can choose from. And then in the smaller leather goods, that's where I find this particular small leather goods, and it also including some of the Kelly kind of wallet, Kelly wallet or something like that. Yeah, I think it's worth a while to go to their website and then check out their new options and new selections. It's definitely, I feel, the more they opened up on the website, and then the more accessible for people to purchase online, I think it's better for, I feel it's better for their business as well. And then you can easily get things like this, and potentially will help you to accumulate all these probably points for your quarterback. So yeah, that's what I'm shooting for. I hope I can get some quarterback maybe next year, and then see if I can reach that goal. So again, thank you, my hubby, for this amazing anniversary present. So I really like it. So hopefully everyone's seen this video and also can comment on this below and see what do you think about this particular. It's not like it's kind of like pouch. It's called pouch, but you can use this as a handbag. So let me know what you think. Comment down below. I just want to share these two recent purchases with you, and hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and then give a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.